Hello friends, this is my first video lesson about HTML. So today I gonna take about the introduction part about HTML. Okay, let's start. So as introduction about HTML, HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. So it is very useful while for web designer is very useful, and it stands for hypertext markup language. And HTML describes the structure of web pages using markup. HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. Okay, and the elements are represented by tags. This we will discuss now. Okay, anyhow, browser do not display the HTML tags, is not going to display the tags, but use them to render the content of the pages. Okay, fine. So this is all about the basic things, and now we are going to one HTML file creation so we can understand clearly. So we are creating one HTML file using any text editor. We can create HTML, but here now I am using Notepad for creating HTML file. Okay, here we go. See the first line, doc type HTML, and this is, I'll tell you everything. Doc type declaration defines this document to be HTML file. Means HTML file means it is the current version of HTML. And after that, second one is HTML. Okay, HTML is the root element of HTML page. For every HTML page, the root element, the first element is HTML. So you can see the HTML is there is a closing tag for that. So in HTML, everywhere you can see there is a tag, means that should have one closing tag. Okay, anyhow, HTML has two parts. One is head part and another one is body part. So here you can see head part is closed, and after that body is closed. So inside head, whatever we are giving, that is invisible while loading the page, but whatever we are representing inside the body part, that will visible while we are loading the page. So here you can see title, page title. So title element specify the title for document. Okay, it will visible while you are browsing, so it will visible on the top layer. Okay, as a information about the file. So after that, body is there. Body element contains the visible page content. Okay, whatever present inside body, this one h1 is there. No, h1 means heading, and there is different types of heading is there. h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, up to 6 is there, depending on their size. h1 is largest sized heading. So my first heading is the content inside h1. So you have to visible as this one as a heading in large size. So after that, p is there. P represents the paragraph. It is the paragraph tag. Okay, there will be the closing tag also there. So after that, body is closed and HTML is also closed. And now we are saving. So my important thing here, while you are saving, the extension is .html. Here you can see in this case I given the name as 1.html. The difference, the main important thing while you're creating HTML is the HTML extension, file extension. If you want to see the content, then you have to give HTML extension. If you are giving .txt, this file will be open. Okay, this will you see. While you are giving HTML, then the inner content modification you can see. Okay, here I already saved, so saved in HTML file there I saved. So when I am loading, here you can see my first heading. As you see in here, my first heading is the heading. Okay, my first heading in large size you can see, and large font size. After that, paragraph is there. So this is my first paragraph, and as I said, the head part it will not is not going to visible. So but it is visible on the top layer. So page title is there, so you can get the information here. Okay, page title. So this is all about the basic things, and now we are dealing with some tags. Okay, so we are dealing now about the heading tags. As I said, there is 1 to 6 up to 6 heading tags is there: h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. Okay, this is depending on their size. And saving, I already saved. So whenever you are saving, the main thing, the extension .html. So while I'm loading here, heading.html, here you can see the size. This is heading 1, and after that heading 2, heading 3, heading 4 is there. No, the size is decreased 6. Okay, this is all about the heading, simple, and the closing tag similar. After that, paragraph is also similar. This is paragraph we discussed in first section itself. After that, this is one important thing, BR. Okay, BR, and here you can see backward slash is there. Here in this case forward slash. So BR means it is the break, it will break the line. So this is a paragraph. After that, break is there. So after all contents will come below line. Okay, so while you are loading this one, you can get clear picture about this one. So paragraph.html, here you can see this is paragraph in first line, and after that BR I use. So this is on second line. This is another paragraph, and this is about paragraph, and we will see what is tags and all. Okay, so HTML tag is there. As I seen, so P, H1, HTML, and head all are tags. So tag structure is tag name will be there. After that, content goes here. So here while you are closing tag, the forward slash will be there. After that, name same tag name will be present. HTML tags normally come in pairs, as you see in PP as closing tag P. The first tag in pair is the start tag, and after that the end tag. So forward slash just now, and the first tag name will be opening tag, and after that the closing tag. So as I said before, whatever we are used doc type, here doc type HTML, this will represent the current version, that is HTML5 2014. It is the first version is HTML itself 1991, and HTML 2.0 1995, and after that 3.2 4.01 XHTML, the last version 2000. Yeah, this is all about the introduction part. So today we discussed the introduction, basic structure of HTML, some tags, okay, and tag format we studied, HTML version we are studied, and H1P tags. Okay, next lesson we are dealing with HTML attributes, links. Important, it is a link is very important in web designing, and after that image tag, and so on and so forth. Okay, fine. So this is all about the introduction part of about HTML. So thank you for watching, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.